We all have the same 24 hours in a day. Why do some people accomplish so much while others struggle? The answer lies in energy management. It's not just about how we manage our time, it's about how we manage our energy. When we align our work and lives with our natural energy rhythms, we unlock a powerful secret to productivity and well-being. Many of us push ourselves to the limit, ignoring the natural ebb and flow of our energy. This leads to burnout and diminished productivity. Instead, we can learn to work with our natural rhythms. This means understanding when our energy peaks and when it naturally declines. By aligning our activities with these rhythms, we can achieve sustainable productivity. We can feel our best while doing it. This essay explores practical strategies for managing energy. We will learn how to align with nature's rhythms. This guide will empower you to work smarter, not harder. It will help you achieve peak performance in all areas of life. Time management is essential, but it's only half the equation. Energy management is equally important, if not more so. Time management focuses on quantity, how many tasks we can fit into a set time frame. Energy management focuses on quality, how effectively we can use our available energy to do our best work. Our energy levels fluctuate throughout the day. This is natural. Ignoring these fluctuations leads to decreased focus and increased stress. When we understand our energy patterns, we can work smarter. We can schedule demanding tasks for times when we are most alert and energized. We can reserve less demanding tasks for times when our energy naturally dips. Imagine trying to write a complex report when your energy is at its lowest. This will feel like an uphill battle. Now imagine tackling that same report during your peak energy hours. The task becomes significantly easier. This is the power of aligning with your natural energy flow. Our bodies operate on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm. This rhythm regulates our sleep-wake cycles, hormone release, and even our body temperature. It significantly impacts our energy levels throughout the day. Understanding and working with our circadian rhythm is key to optimizing our energy and productivity. Start by identifying your natural energy peaks and dips. Are you a morning person who feels most alert and focused in the early hours? Or are you a night owl who comes alive in the evening? Once you understand your natural rhythm, you can schedule your day accordingly. Schedule your most challenging tasks during your peak energy hours. These are the times when you are most alert and focused. Reserve less demanding tasks for your lower energy periods. For example, if you're a morning person, tackle your most important work tasks first thing in the morning. Save tasks like checking emails or organizing files for the afternoon when your energy naturally dips. Beyond the 24-hour circadian rhythm, our bodies also experience shorter energy cycles known as ultradian rhythms. These cycles last approximately 90 minutes, followed by a natural 20-minute period of lower energy. Understanding and working with these ultradian rhythms can significantly enhance our focus and productivity. The key to leveraging ultradian rhythms is to work in focused 90-minute blocks, followed by a 15 to 20-minute break. During your 90-minute work block, eliminate all distractions and focus intently on the task at hand. When the 90 minutes are up, take a break. Step away from your work, move your body, or engage in a relaxing activity. This rhythmic work break pattern allows your mind and body to recharge. It prevents burnout and maintains focus throughout the day. Think of it like interval training for your brain. By working in short bursts with regular breaks, you can maintain a higher level of productivity for longer periods. Section 5, Let There Be Light. Syncing your day with nature's cues. Natural light plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythm. Exposure to sunlight in the morning helps to wake us up and feel alert. As the day progresses and natural light decreases, our bodies begin to produce melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep. To optimize your energy levels, make it a habit to expose yourself to natural light throughout the day. Start your day with a walk outside or eat breakfast by a sunny window. During the workday, take breaks to step outside and soak up some sun. In the evening, minimize your exposure to artificial light, especially from electronic devices. This will help to regulate your melatonin production and promote restful sleep. Instead of scrolling through social media before bed, Spend time relaxing with a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing a calming bedtime routine. By aligning your day with the natural patterns of light and darkness, you can support your body's natural rhythm and optimize your energy levels. Section 6. Fueling your body, the energy connection with food. The food we eat plays a crucial role in our energy levels. Consuming large, heavy meals, especially close to bedtime, can leave us feeling sluggish and tired. Instead, focus on eating lighter meals throughout the day to maintain sustained energy levels. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast that includes protein and complex carbohydrates. This will provide your body with the fuel it needs to power through the morning. For lunch, opt for a balanced meal with lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains. In the evening, choose a lighter dinner that won't weigh you down before bed. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods, as they can lead to energy spikes and crashes. Instead, reach for healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Proper hydration is also essential for maintaining energy levels. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Section 7. Mindfulness, the key to unlocking mental energy. Just like our bodies, our minds also experience energy fluctuations. Mental fatigue, characterized by difficulty concentrating, making decisions, or feeling mentally drained, can significantly impact our productivity. Mindfulness techniques can help us manage mental energy and combat these slumps. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can involve focusing on your breath, bodily sensations, or the sounds around you. By practicing mindfulness, even for a few minutes each day, you can train your mind to stay present and focused. Incorporate short mindfulness breaks into your workday. When you feel your energy waning, take a few minutes to close your eyes, focus on your breath, and quiet your mind. This simple practice can help to clear mental clutter, reduce stress, and restore your focus. Section 8. Honoring your energy signature, personalized productivity. While there are general principles for aligning with natural rhythms, it's crucial to recognize that everyone has a unique energy signature. Just as our fingerprints are unique, so too are our energy patterns. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to experiment, listen to your body, and create a schedule that aligns with your individual needs. Some people thrive on routine and predictability, while others prefer more flexibility in their schedules. Some people do their best creative work in the morning, while others find their creative spark ignites late at night. There's no right or wrong way to structure your day. The key is to listen to your body's cues and adjust your schedule accordingly. Track your energy levels throughout the day. Note when you feel most alert, focused, and productive. Pay attention to when your energy dips and you feel less motivated. Use this information to create a personalized schedule that optimizes your energy flow. Section 9. The entrepreneur aligning energy for business success. For entrepreneurs, managing energy is not just about personal well-being, it's essential for business success. The demands of running a business can be relentless, requiring long hours and constant problem solving. By aligning with natural energy rhythms, entrepreneurs can work smarter, not harder, and achieve sustainable success. Imagine an entrepreneur named Sarah. She's a natural early riser. She feels most alert and focused in the morning. She schedules her most important tasks, like strategic planning and business development calls, during this peak energy time. She reserves the afternoon, when her energy naturally dips, for less demanding tasks like checking emails, organizing her workspace, and running errands. By aligning her work schedule with her natural energy flow, Sarah maximizes her productivity and minimizes burnout. She gets more done in less time. This allows her to focus on what matters most, growing her business and living a fulfilling life. Section 10. The busy parent, finding balance in the chaos. For busy parents, managing energy is essential for juggling the demands of work, family, and personal life. Between school runs, meal prep, and work deadlines, it can feel impossible to find time for everything. By aligning with natural rhythms, parents can create more balance and ease in their daily lives. Imagine a busy parent named John. He's a night owl who finds his energy levels peak in the evening. He uses this time for focused work, catching up on emails and tackling projects that require deep thinking. During the day, when his children are home from school, he shifts his focus to spending quality time with them. By embracing his natural energy patterns, John avoids the burnout that can come from trying to do it all. He creates a schedule that allows him to be fully present in both his work and family life. This leads to greater happiness and fulfillment in all areas. Section 11. The professional athlete optimizing energy for peak performance. For professional athletes, energy management is not just important, it's crucial for achieving peak performance. Their bodies are their instruments, and they rely on optimal energy levels to train, compete, and recover effectively. Imagine a professional athlete named Maria. She's a marathon runner. She understands the importance of aligning her training schedule with her natural energy rhythms. She schedules her most intense training runs for the morning, when her energy and endurance are at their peak. She uses the afternoon for cross-training, recovery sessions, and rest. By carefully managing her energy, Maria avoids overtraining and injuries. She allows her body to recover effectively, maximizing her performance on race day. This strategic approach to energy management is key to her success as an athlete. Section 12. Conclusion. Embracing the rhythm of peak productivity. Productivity is not about cramming more into your day, it's about managing your energy to get the most out of your time. By aligning with your natural rhythms, listening to your body's cues, and making mindful choices about how you spend your energy, you can unlock a level of productivity and well-being you never thought possible. Start by identifying your peak energy times and scheduling your most challenging tasks accordingly. Incorporate regular breaks into your day to recharge your mind and body. Fuel your body with nutritious foods and prioritize sleep. And don't forget to listen to your body's unique needs. What change will you make today to align your energy flow with nature's rhythms? Comment below and share your insights. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on optimizing your life.